What is SEO? How do you do SEO? How much does it cost to do SEO? Is SEO important? What are the benefits of SEO? What are the different tools available for SEO? If you have all of these burning questions or any of these burning questions in your mind, you have come to the right place. Hey guys, welcome to another video from the digital marketing course. In this lesson, I'm going to talk to you all about SEO or search engine optimization. My name is Pritesh and I create educational content for learners like you. This channel is your best resource for everything sales and marketing. What is search engine optimization or SEO? The word search engine optimization is divided into two parts: search engine and optimization. Search engines, as you already know, use search platforms like Google, Bing, among others. Optimization simply means making effective use of available resources. In short, search engine optimization is nothing but making effective use of your available resources online to rank on the first page of these search engines. The resources that we are talking about could be web pages, your blog posts, images, as well as video content. Why do we need search engine optimization at all? Before I answer that question, let me ask you something. When you look something up on the internet, do you only focus on the first page, or do you even go to page 2, 5, 10, 15 and 20? You do not even have to answer that question because we all know that we only look at the first page when it comes to search engines. Our attention span is so short and our gratification level is so high that we want everything, and we want everything right now. Hence, it is all the more important to make sure that your products, services, or your content is available on the first page of the search engines. Today, there are millions of businesses that are fighting to grab the first position or the first page listing on search engines. Ranking on the first page is crucial if you want website traffic or maybe generate volumes of sales. There are 1.4 billion websites in the world today as of 2021. Each website has hundreds of pages. Can you imagine how much content each website must be creating on an everyday basis? Just as gladiators fought it out back in the day, companies are fighting today for space on the first page. Let us now look at the different SEO tools that are available at our disposal. If you have been watching my videos and my channel, you already know that I spoke to you about Google Search Console. It is your topmost go-to SEO tool to access data and information about your website. Imagine trying the best SEO tactics out there to rank on the Google search page without using the Google Search Console. This tool gives you information on how Google crawls your website and ranks your pages. You can get valuable information that you can use to better page rank your website. Make sure to register for the Google Search Console if you have not already done so. If you want me to create a separate tutorial on SEO tools, comment in the section below and I'll be happy to help you with that. Another very important tool, Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the most widely used tools to know about your website visitors. Get valuable insights about your audience, like their acquisition, their behavior, the devices they have used, and the location they were in when you acquired them. By location, I do not mean their pinpoint location on GPS, but their city, the town, or the country in which they are located in general. After you get this valuable information, you can always tweak your SEO strategy accordingly. You can also use these insights to improve your customer interaction and engagement. These insights give you a report card with direct impact of your SEO efforts on your website. You can nail down your organic traffic sources and identify the gap and rework on your SEO strategy. Again, one of the crucial tools from Google is their very own Google Keywords Planner. The purpose of this tool is to help people with Google Ads. However, you can still use this tool to get tons of valuable information about relevant keywords. You can even filter data in terms of country, perform a narrow and a broad search, identify relevant keywords, and import this information with a click of a button to Google Sheets. Go ahead and try this out for yourself and let me know your experience. Another important tool I think that you can use is Keywords. I apologize for using such words in this video, but again, this tool does exactly what it says. If you're running short of ideas on different keywords you need to use for your content, you can always use this tool, and this tool will not let you down. Just pop in a keyword and watch the tool poop hundreds and thousands of keywords related to your main core keyword. It is especially important for those who are new to SEO and are running out of content or keyword ideas, so go ahead and give it a try. Another important tool that I've used personally is Ubersuggest. This tool also gives you important information on your core keyword and related keywords. It also helps you with competition websites and related content. If you want to conduct an SEO audit for your website and see where you stand, simply copy the URL of your website and paste it on this tool. This tool gives you a report on your SEO efforts and gives you a score. The good thing about this tool is that it also has extended features like giving you ideas on content by scanning social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, among other social media sites. There is a 7-day trial period after which it costs you $12 per month, with which you can run 3 projects at a time. If you have done some SEO research, you have already come across Semrush. With the free account, you can access top keywords for your website. Just like Ubersuggest, you can also do a site audit with limited keywords and domain reporting. Another very important tool, especially for local SEO, is Google My Business. A lot of users tend to underestimate this tool. However, it is your number one go-to tool if you want to perform better in the local market. Fill in all your business information and manage your local listing. It also helps you to communicate and engage with your local customers and answer to their reviews. If you have a business with focus on the local market, you cannot afford to miss Google My Business tool at all. Next tool, Google Tag Manager. As the name suggests, the tool helps you to inject different tags on the HTML of your website. These tags can help you analyze your content and engagement better with Google Analytics. However, advanced users always use Google Tags Manager to leverage the SEO functions on the platform. For example, you can insert a tag for a particular trigger or an event, which you can later analyze on Google Analytics. And if you see that your SEO efforts around that tag are not that effective, you can always tweak in your SEO strategy accordingly. Then relook at the analytics after a week to see progress and results. Another very important tool that you must use is Page Speed Insights. This tool helps you to identify the speed with which it delivers your content in front of your audience. You can simply insert a specific page of your website in the search bar provided. Once you do that, it gives you relevant information and insights on the wait time or the lag time on your websites, your cell phones, and other devices. Technical SEO is as important as your on-page SEO. It not only pinpoints what slows your pages down, but it also gives you relevant suggestions that you can use and increase your page speed. Another important tool is Yoast SEO. One of the most trusted brands on WordPress today is Yoast SEO. This tool helps you to manage your on-site SEO like a pro. It helps you identify the areas where you need to improve, gives you suggestions on things like metadata, SEO title, URL, etc. I vouch for Yoast SEO as it has helped me get 90% score on my on-page SEO efforts. To conclude this topic, there are multiple SEO tools available out there for you to try and improve your SEO game. By all means, look at all the different tools available to you online and see what works best for you. Let me know if you think there are any SEO tools out there that I have not mentioned and share with me how they have helped you. Let us now look at the different types of SEO out there. Years ago, when SEO came into prominence, people only thought of on-page SEO to be the only SEO discipline available to them. They thought, do them right and get in front of the customers. However, those days are long gone. Today, with the kind of competition on the internet, fighting for visibility on the first page has intensified. This has led to the different types of SEO disciplines out there. The first one is on-page SEO. If you have heard about SEO, you already have some idea about on-page SEO. It is nothing but the content related to what visitors see when they visit your website. It requires you to create engaging, high-quality content that solves a particular problem. Or you can share valuable information not available anywhere else on the internet. If someone has already created similar content, make sure that you create content a notch above that piece of content. In short, outrank your competition with better, high-quality content. There was a time back in 2005 when writing a 300 or 350 words article with proper SEO techniques was enough for you to get in front of the customer. However, those days are long gone. Today, you not only have to focus on high quality content, but also on long form content that engages with the customer. It is crucial that you do that for on-page SEO optimization. Doing this will also increase your chances to rank on top pages in the SERP or search engine results page. So, coming to the technicality of on-page SEO, what do you do to rank on the first page? For example, add relevant keywords in your post title, URL, metadata, and the first paragraph of your content. Structure the data in the right format. For example, your title needs to be in H1, subtopics need to be in H2, and everything else needs to be on H3 and normal. Also, you need to ensure that you're not using the same keywords for all your pieces of content. Doing that will only lead to something known as cannibalization. In short, you'll simply be fighting your own content on the internet. Number 2 is off-page SEO. As the name suggests, there are certain things you need to do off your page to rank better on the search engine. For example, link building. The more you get linked by others with higher domain authority, the better your chances to rank on the first page of Google SERP. The more the visitors of your content hang around, the more valuable it is considered. It also tells Google algorithm that your content is worthy to be on the first page. There are different ways to link building. For example, you can write as a guest blogger on similar websites. Request others to embed your content on their websites. Another way to do this is through social media. Creating engaging content on social media that goes viral helps you stand out as a thought leader. It tells Google that your content is informative, engaging, and valuable. Reward you by pushing your content up on the SERP. Another type of SEO is technical SEO. Before you get scared of the word, let me assure you that it's not as scary as you think it is. It simply means improving the technical aspect of your website to rank better on the search engine. For example, creating a responsive website that goes well on desktop as well as mobile/tablets. As mentioned earlier, you can always use page speed insights and find out the lag time and improve your content on all of these devices. If you don't do technical SEO, Google will penalize you and put you down in the search engine result page. Next, you want to make sure that you're using the HTTPS version of your website. It simply informs Google that your website is safe and that its customers will not get exposed to any risk when they visit your website. You should also focus on creating a sitemap for your website. It helps visitors find out your content faster. Lastly, there's something known as schema. It helps you to inform Google crawlers about your web pages and the content on your pages. Take it from my personal experience, for a very long time I had ignored technical SEO and focused only on on-page SEO. I have a new website and my website scores at 90% on the on-page SEO. I'm still working on the mobile version of my website that will help me to rank better. Another important tool is called VSEO or Video SEO. At least 68% of marketers feel that video marketing is the next big thing. It's also a clue to you that you need to be on top of your video marketing content strategy. If your products or services require you to have video content either on YouTube or embedded on your website, ensure that you optimize your videos to put them in front of your target audience. As of 2019, 500 hours of video content is uploaded every minute on YouTube. So you can imagine what that number would be in 2021. In short, your videos need to educate, entertain, or excite your target audience for them to engage with you. The more people hang around your YouTube channel, subscribe to your channel, like and share your content, the better your visibility on YouTube. On that note, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit the notification bell icon and give it a thumbs up. How promptly I did that to rank better on the Google platform. For video SEO, you follow similar tactics as I told you about the website SEO. Add keywords on the video title in the description section of your content, but make sure that you include the words that people are looking for in the description. You can create how-to videos, product reviews, or tutorials to get better engagement of your videos. Another very important type of SEO is local SEO. You cannot afford to miss out on local SEO if you're selling products and services that require you to be visible in the local market. Make sure you optimize your local listing with informative content, and the right keywords will help you get more visitors to your local store. You can also embed Google Maps on the homepage of your website. Do not forget to add social proof from your local market to get more traction to your website. That was all about different types of SEOs. Now comes a very pertinent question. How do you do SEO by yourself? If you're a freelancer or a small business that is just starting out, you want to make sure that you learn all the important and relevant skills to get started. Also, you want to do that because you are not able to afford the premium SEO tools out there in the market. I'll tell you how I started SEO, and if you like it, you can always copy my strategy to get started. Start with a broad keyword search for your products and services. Note down those keywords and find out relevant keywords pertaining to your core keyword. Now get more relevant keyword ideas using tools like Keywords Planner and Keyword. Next, do the on-page SEO using the tricks I shared with you moments ago. By doing this, you will start getting some traction on the Google search engine results page. You may not rank on the top page right away, but you will start getting listed on the 10th, 15th, or the 20th page at least to get started. Trust me, this is a good start, and do not expect overnight results. Next, make sure that you create content that people want to see. If people are searching for things or information, make sure that you solve their problems by creating relevant content. Simply creating random blog posts or content is not going to help you in your SEO strategy. Value creation is the topmost factor that Google considers when they rank you on the first page. Another important tip, when you create content, do not stuff your content with keywords. If you're creating videos, make sure they are simple and easy to understand, just like this one. If you're writing a blog post, don't just simply write hundreds and thousands of words for the sake of writing the content. Make it look good with multimedia, images, videos, GIFs to support your key content. Next, add internal and external links to your content. Internal links are nothing but the links that take back to another piece of content on your website. External links are outside your website that you want your users to go to after they've finished reading your blog post. These links should be relevant and relate to an authoritative domain only. Next step is make sure that you're technical SEO on spot. Last but not the least, make sure that you hang out on platforms where your target audience hangs out on. These could be places like Reddit, Facebook, Quora, or other social media platforms. It is also one of the smart ways to link building for your website. The last strategy to do SEO yourself is to note what your competition is doing and simply copy their strategy and be successful. In the process, you can always upskill yourself by watching relevant content on YouTube and following important people like Pritesh Zaveri on YouTube. I don't want to miss any opportunity to be a part of your SEO strategy, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel once again. Another important question, how much does SEO cost? Well, there's no one particular answer to this question, as the cost of SEO differs from country to country. It also differs in terms of what you want to accomplish with your SEO. In India, for example, you could be charged anywhere between 5,000 to 75,000 per month. If you're a freelancer or small business, I suggest that you do not pay for SEO services at all and learn to start doing SEO for yourself. There are many people out there who claim to be SEO masters and gurus, so really stay away from such people. These people will so-called help you, but in reality they will only sabotage your efforts and in the long run get you down on the search engine results page. They can do more harm to your business than you can imagine. If you have the money for SEO, I suggest you go for a good qualified service provider. I would tell you to go for either Ubersuggest, Semrush or Ahrefs. You can also take a paid subscription of Yoast SEO if you're on WordPress. Well, that is about it in this introductory lesson on SEO. Should you want me to create an SEO tutorial on a specific topic like Semrush or Google keyword search or YouTube search, comment in the section below and I'll be happy to work for you. Lastly, not to sound repetitive, do subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon and give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, adios.